Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to find someone on Pinterest. So to start with, you need to make sure you're logged into your account and you're on your home feed. So to find someone, you will need to know either part of their name or part of their profile name. So we're going to use the search function at the top. So I'm going to click on that. So say I'm looking for someone called Sarah. So I can type that name in. Maybe I don't know their last name, but I know they've got the first name Sarah. So different pins related to that will come up. But we're going to narrow the search using the filter on the left-hand side. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to look for profiles. I'm going to click on apply and that will show me all the profiles with the name Sarah. So then you can scroll through and hopefully find the person you're looking for. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.